Good morning, guys, and welcome back to Gardening with John. Um, we talked about last week how I propagated some Pride and Joy sedum, and today it's been several weeks that I started this, but last week I showed you what they were budding out, and today I want to show you what's going on today. So here it is. Here's those little Pride and Joy sedums, and you can see they have. If I can get my fingers in there, that they're budding out. They're all doing good. I'm not too sure about this one here. It pulls out like it doesn't want to pull out like it's got a root there, but I don't think it's done very well. Then I have another box over here that looks like it's doing pretty good as well. I just haven't put it in the egg carton yet, but it's probably ready to move over to the egg cartons. Then I wanted to show you my newest addition that I have to my garden. These are pink salute salvia. You see they like full sun, and they like to keep, I would say, pretty moist. And here's another one I have over here on the other side of this tall grass, ornamental grass. They're pollinators, although I don't think I have any today on them, but I've had them. Got them yesterday at Lowe's. There were 2 for $10, and I think they're pretty cool. They had lots of bees on them yesterday. I had to stick my hand down in the bottom of the base of the plant and pick it up, and they weren't too happy, but we got by. Sometimes you just got to be brave and pick it up. Here's some millennial echinaceas, and as you see, the one rainbow, it's a rainbow echinacea. It's starting to fade out, but on the good news, I have 4, I think it's 4. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 more coming on. So as these will fall off or die off, I'm not going to deadhead them. I think I'm just going to let them be for right now, because they'll give birds something in the winter time. And we're almost September 1st as of Monday. Today is Saturday, August the 30th. Here's my allium. I got 2 of them that's really spent, and I got the others are on there. I'm not sure whether I'm going to deadhead them, or it's kind of late in the season for it to probably regenerate, and I kind of like to just see it. Here's my sedum. I'll tell you what sedum it is. It's Mr. Goodbud's sedum. It's kind of a dark color one. And my quick fire hydrangeas. I had a couple buds come on, which I thought was strange this late in the season, but right here's my buds, and then the rest of them are turning pink. Can you see the pink in there? Back here I have some sage advice. It's not I guess it's kind of in the family of Russian sage, but I don't think it gets the height that the other one does. Got some speedwell here, and the speedwell, they're doing really well. Got some yellow tips to it, but they're really good. Got some bluish coreopsis, and it looks like they need another haircut. And this is the 2019 Chelsea Flower Show winner, the Lanta sedum. And there's Mr. Frog. Pause it. Let me get. And right here was my double coated butter pecan. I think there was something like echinacea or some kind of a cone flower, and it come home in bad shape. I did everything I could do to save it, but I think I already had some blackness already in the stems, so it might have already died and had some damage, but oh well, I'm just going to let the seeds stay and I'll pull it out in the season if it don't come up next year. I'll show you, this plant here is new, but I want to show you what it'll look like here in a minute. It looks really, really cool when it's been in the ground for a while, and you ought to see its little flowers. It's got little flowers on them, and I'll show it to you in just. So they spread, as you see, and they get little white blooms on them, you see. They look really cool. I think they're really nice. They're soft. They kind of give they're kind of like a ground cover plant, and they're just neat. And here I have my and this is my hibiscus. Now I bought it in the perennial section, but I have no clue if this was an annual or not, and we'll see next year, because I will be heartbroken. I really like them. Here's my blue fescue grass. It turned blue. You see how blue it turned? Sorry about it. I'm trying to get a better angle. Here's my blue phlox. It's the tall pinnacle phlox. We do have a pollinator over here. I could zoom in on him. Excuse me for all the car noise. I can't get by that part. I live on a busy street. Had some autumn joy sedum. They really need to be split, and I have a good friend that kind of needs some, so waiting to see what I'm going to do. Saturday, what's it called? This is rock and roll.
Let me call you right back, John. Just come here. Let me call.
I can hear you yelling outside.
Okay. I gotta go. He's videoing. I gotta go.
Who's that?
Whiner ass.
Tell her I'm not listening to it anymore.
You got your video on.
No, I don't. I'm done.